Immobiliser Fit, and this is a 2020 Ford Ecosport protected for Halo Mini. So a thief had done a relay attack, got this key, stole it off you, had your physical key, went to steal it. Vehicle's just not going to start up. As you see, feet are on the pedals, vehicle just doesn't fire up. So what the customer's got to do, keep their foot off the pedals, pop their unique code in, they get a flash, now turn the car off and start. And the vehicle fires into life and they can drive away. As soon as they hop out of the vehicle, we get 2 flashes to confirm the system's active. If a thief grabbed the key off you, pulled you out your vehicle as you pulled up on your drive, they're going to be unable to start it without the unique code. So ignition on, unique code, flash, off and start. This also has a service mode to turn the whole system off when it goes back for a service, and you can also choose your own code, totally unique to the customer. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit and it's a Halo Mini on a 2020 Ford Ecosport. Thanks for watching.